Hi, my name is Callum. I think it came a little bit later. I mean, I've been very aware that I love problem solving and working with my hands. And as a kid, I loved puzzles. I love taking things apart, putting them back together. But I don't think I really put the two ideas together until, probably the last few years. I went to school. I got my associate's degree. I got my bachelor's degree. I've gotten my real estate license. Like I'm working those things, or I have been doing those, working in that field. And I just realized how much of a need is in technicians in turn, how that relates to me. I was like, I don't know. I'm 30 years old. I got a bachelor's degree. Like I may as well just use it. But then, I really felt led to be like, well, maybe you've done those things, but doesn't mean you always have to do those things. I've loved being able to work on my car and take things apart and putting them back together and problem solve. It's kind of sounds nerdy, but I like to read instructions. So I'm like, and do what's instructed of me. I compartmentalize that into my, like the fun part of life, or just your free time or whatever. But then over time, just being like, okay, like this could be something I could enjoy, not just in my free time, but in the workplace. There's a lot riding on it for any person, really. But I think for me, as a 30-year-old who's married, who just had their second child, there's a little bit, you got to have some skin in the game. For the good and long term, but in the short term, it's, you're going to school 4 days a week from 5 to 11:30 at night, and you're also just trying to do your day job, but also take care of your kids, and your wife's working as well. So it's just usually the things that are right are not easy, especially in the short term. But the long-term game is gonna look so much brighter for us. I would love to be at an airline, working in a maintenance hub, or at least doing that for the first few years, and then maybe do some line maintenance. If you're gonna do it, go all in. Definitely just do the scholarship opportunities, go to the career fairs, go to the resume seminars, go to whatever it is that your school is offering. The field trips, whatever, be all in and do it to the max, and know that even if you've had hard days, or if it's if there are things that are challenging, like you've done it to the max that you can do it, and that's all you can really ask for. And at the end of the day, it will result in good results. It will result in the certification. It will result in the diploma, or whatever it is that you're looking for. Thank you, Snap-on, for my scholarship.